What is a branch in decision trees? Imagine you're trying to decide what to eat for dinner. You ask yourself a question like, do I want something quick? And based on the answer, you choose different options. That's similar to how decision trees work. In decision trees, a branch is like a path that connects one point to another. It links a question or test to the next step in the decision process. Think of it as a road leading from one stop to the next. Each branch shows a possible answer to a question asked at a node. Starting at the top, the root node asks a question about the data. For example, if you're using a decision tree to decide whether to recommend a product, the question might be, is the customer interested in electronics? The branches coming out of this node representing the possible answers, like yes or no. If the answer is yes, the branch leads to another question, maybe, has the customer bought before? If no, it might lead to a different decision, like suggesting a different product. These branches keep splitting based on different questions, guiding the decision-making process. Each branch points to either another question, called an internal node, or to a final decision, called a leaf node. The leaf node is where the decision ends, like recommend product or do not recommend. The branches are what make the tree flexible, allowing it to split data into groups based on features or attributes. In machine learning, decision trees learn how to split data by choosing the best questions to ask at each node. They use measures like information gain or the Gini index to decide which feature to test next. The goal is to make the branches as pure as possible, meaning they contain similar data points. Understanding what a branch is helps you see how decision trees make transparent decisions. Each path from the root to a leaf shows the logic behind the prediction. This makes decision trees easy to interpret and useful for tasks like classification or regression. So, every branch is a step in the journey of making a decision, guiding the data down the right path based on specific questions.